Hey guys, in this video I'll explain to you how you can use Khan Academy as a student. So here I am on the homepage, khanacademy.org, and here you want to click on learners, and we'll be signing up, okay, as a learner. Just select your birth date, okay, so go ahead and select mine right here, and then we can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or email. So what we're doing, we're creating an account, and then we need to choose our grade level so they can personalize things for us. So I'll pick this email right here and click on continue. Okay, so here we go. It will redirect me in just a moment. And here we go. We should be asked to pick our grade level. Okay, I'll close this. So pick whatever grade level you're in. Let's say you are, graduate studies, whatever stage you are in currently. All right, so I'll click on continue and choose your subjects. Okay, whatever subjects you're doing. Let's say I'm doing all of these economic courses, right? I can pick these. Of course, you can go ahead and look at more. So if you want to prep for some tests, MCAT, LSAT, you can pick those as well, right? If you want to learn some life skills, pick those too. Let's do entrepreneurship, personal finance, financial literacy. And now there we go. We have up to 9 courses we have picked. We'll go ahead and continue with those for now, right? So there we go. Saved, and we have our courses. You can go ahead and start working on your courses right here. Just click on start, and you can start working with them, learning these courses. Okay, so here we're learning about this unit. I can come here and check out the different topics and the different lessons on this topics. You'll get some exercises as well. You can go ahead and do practice questions and make sure you are tracking your progress. Okay, so which of the following best describes Bergen's employment situation? If you know the answer, you can go ahead and choose that answer. Okay, you can go ahead and skip it as well or just check. The good thing is you can just go ahead and click any, right? And then go ahead and check it. It will give you whatever the correct answer is. And this one is the correct answer, underemployed, right? So all you need to do now is you can come here, click on your profile name, then click on learner home. Now, if I come here to progress, you'll see all of the different, progress you have made, all the activities you have started, how much you've actually completed, how much time you spent, right? If you did some tests, what you scored. And this, guys, in Khan Academy, you just want to make sure, keep a schedule, dedicate time to Khan Academy, even if it's a little each day. Just keep notes, either digitally or on paper, just reinforce your learning. And you can explore the various resources available, including videos, right? There's a lot of videos on different topics. So let's do macroeconomics. You can search this up. Okay, and then we can filter these things and find videos, right? Even games, right? So here we'll click on video. So we'll see all the different videos on this topic. So we have a generalized linear consumption function. You can go ahead and watch a video on that. You can join discussions too, right? So I'll just go ahead and pause this video. Okay, there we go. It hasn't auto-played. So you can join the conversation as long as you are having an account that is over 3 days old, have a verified email, at least 5,000 energy points. You can join the conversation. You can comment and see the different answers to their questions. You can also give answers if you're knowledgeable on that topic. You can do practice exercises, read articles. And if you need any help, don't, hesitate. Ask help from the Khan Academy community, very good community, and just focus on understanding, okay? Not just memorization. Khan Academy is basically designed to help you understand concepts, not just memorize facts using notes, okay? And just start at your level. If you find the material too difficult, don't hesitate to start at an earlier grade level. So I hope that this helped, and good luck with your learning.